Hi Year 5-6. Lovely to see you all back after the holidays. Hope you all had a great holiday. And I'm looking forward to seeing many of you extended school day this term. What you're looking at this present moment is our home screen. A reminder, if you go to the Northern Bay College logo that's on the left-hand side of your screen, click on that. Drop-down bar will then give you the Northern Bay, the Extended School Day website, and you can go to that. Got all our tabs across the top here, which all give you bits and pieces of information. The About just gives some information for your families to be able to know a little bit about the program, how it works, and how exciting it is for you to come. In the contact section, this is if you need to get in contact with me, and it's a really good place to come to, that if you miss out on a program you'd like to do and you'd like to go on the wait list, send me a message here, because you never know. Under the What's Next tab, this gives you information about what happens next, signing up, the time and the date of sign up, and about what to do if you're unable to come due to an appointment or you're unwell. Okay, thing we're waiting for now is the timetables. Let's see what's on offer for the 5-6s this term. Who can see something up there that they would like to do? Okay, let's go through then the website and we'll see if we can get a few more hands up by the end. Okay, Tuesday. The first program is Messy Art. And just as the program suggests, it is art that is really messy. Hands will get messy. All right, lots of messiness to be had. And because of this is the reason why I need you to make sure that you have got an art smock with you, please. Whether that be an old shirt, an old top, something that you can wear to make sure that your uniform does not get messy as well. Our next program is Ninja Fit. Okay, and these classes are designed to increase confidence, improve coordination, fitness, and strength. So all our little ninja stars out there, this is a great one for you. For those people who are in the Victorian State School Spectacular, there is no need for you to re-sign up. I have carried everything over. Just please make sure that you don't sign up for anything else on a Tuesday. The next one is paper art. Okay, paper art is about every week you will make something new out of paper. So it can be origami, card making, many other things. All right, so having fun with some paper. The next one is hammer beads. And for those of you who don't know, hammer beads are the tiny little beads that you mold together with heat then to make different pictures. Okay, on a Wednesday. First one for 5-6s is Lego robotics. All right, so you'll be doing different Lego challenges to make things including using robotics to be able to get things to build. The next one is board games. If you don't like to be able to play the same game every single week and you'd like a little bit of variety, this one is for you. Okay, so every week will be a different game as long as it involves a ball. Creating with material. So this is going to be a fun and engaging way for you to learn practical and creative skills in learning basic sewing skills. You'll be exploring the use of different materials to make and create many fun things to take home. Okay, badminton. All right, so we've got badminton, and this subject will be just for the 5, 6s. Next one is circus fun. Well, those of you who'd like to learn some different circus skills and tricks, this is a great one for you. So from juggling to plate spinning, hoops, diablos, and more. And if you're lucky, you might even get to ride the mini clown bike. Creative writing. We're looking for all our creative story writers and poem writers out there. This will be a chance for you to be guided in a fun and engaging way to write your own short stories and poetry. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned writer, you'll be guided in your writing by someone else who loves to write. Move your body. And that's exactly what you'll be doing throughout this program. In all different ways, from dancing to doing exercise. Each week will be a different thing that you will then be moving your body. And lastly, painting. Okay, so here you'll be going from using different paints to paint on paper, canvas, on different objects. All right, lots of different masterpieces for you to be able to take home. Okay, Thursday we have basketball. Right, so both for beginners and seasoned basketball champs. The same with AFL. Okay. Triple threat. Here you will be doing dancing, singing, and acting. All right, so lots and lots of fun, that one. Acrobatics. Okay, so calling all our acrobatic students out there who love to tumble, do cartwheels, all right, handstands. That's what we're looking for. Soccer will also be on. All right, for our 5s and 6s. Dancing. So if you'd like to learn a different dance every week, place to be. Fluid art. So fluid art, which is also known as acrylic pouring or fluid painting, is a fun and creative way to explore abstract art. These classes will teach different techniques to create unique flowing patterns on canvas. And here's a little video here, and you'll see that there's lots of these little videos throughout the web page, and they'll give you a bit of an insight into what you might be doing in that program. The next one is board games. So this one's one to get your friends together. Come along and play games from Uno challenges to Battleship, chess, and snakes and ladders, plus many, many more. Okay, Cooking Crew. In Cooking Crew, you'll be learning to make simple hot and cold foods that you can make at home. So from snacks to sweets and some great healthy options, you'll be learning some great new skills and all the food you get to take home. Okay, now who's seen something that they would like to do? Awesome. Now, don't forget, this Wednesday at 8 a.m., so Wednesday at 8 a.m. is where you sign up. You click on this little part here, and that will take you through to a Google form for you to fill out. When you're filling that out, can you please make sure that you get your right campus and right homeroom? This helps to be able to get the timetable to you correctly, all right, so that you know what you're actually going to be in. A reminder, the program is totally free for you to attend, and there is a bus that goes from your campus through to the Goldsworthy campus. All right, you'll get given some afternoon tea before you go off on your program. If you've been wondering too about whether to try out this extended school day program things for those that haven't, this is a really good time to do so because this term is only a 5-week program, but due to particular things that are on during this term, it is actually only 4 weeks of classes. So it's a great one to come and be able to try it out and see what it is that everybody else is talking about when they say that they have so much fun. Okay, guys, I'm looking forward to seeing lots of you online on Wednesday and then seeing you in a couple of weeks' time. Bye.